This is how you make an arrow for the toy gun that shoots arrows. You would need scissors, cotton swab, and something that has a sharp point. So you have to cut the really top of the cotton swab. And then, so if your part is super thin and it just slides right in, just use some crazy glue. But I don't have to use crazy glue because my point has a big end, so just go in snug and won't come off. It needs a lot of force or just pliers to take it out. So that's it. And this end, you might think we had to cut it, but we're not going to cut it. We're just going to take it out with your fingers, because if I cut it again, it will be more short. So you're going to take out the cotton and just leave a little bit on the end. Just like this. There's a little bit of cotton on it. And then there, you're done with the arrow. Thanks for watching.